Our today cooking recipe is a sponge cake with strawberries. So, stay with us for a quick and easy recipe. First of all, we need the following ingredients: 8 eggs, 8 spoon of sugar and plain flour, 8 spoon oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, vanilla sugar, orange extract, lemon extract, orange zest, vanilla extract, strawberry 400 grams, 1 pinch of salt. Method of preparation: separate yolk and egg whites from egg and keep them separately. Then use a mixer to mix the egg whites together with the 8 tablespoons of sugar until it becomes like a meringue. Then gradually add the yolks and start mixing again. Then add all the remaining ingredients such as milk, oil, vanilla sugar, essences, and grated orange peel, and finally lemon. Now, we need to mix them again. After incorporating the mentioned in parentheses, add flour and baking powder until it becomes like a thickened cream. Now it is time to use the wallpaper for the baking tray, or use plain flour and oil to give massage to the bottom of the baking tray. Then we shall add the contents and decorate them with the strawberries and put them in the preheated oven for 45 minutes. To be sure it is baked and cooked properly, dip a toothpick in it. If the toothpick is clean, it means that our cake is ready. You can use any type of fruit including cocoa powder. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.